We've been based at the Sign Hill campus since the late 1980s. We've outgrown the site. So we're really thrilled about occupying the former Herman Miller factory at Locksbrook Road, which was designed by Sir Nicholas Grimshaw. It's an iconic building that was built for an iconic design company, and we're really thrilled that the School of Art and Design, which of course I believe to be an iconic School of Art and Design, will be occupying that building. So our project has been very much about how do we repurpose something that was designed to be flexible and change and to be adaptable for future use. We've adopted the Bath brief, which was the brief that Herman Miller set for Farrell and Grimshaw in the 1970s for this amazing building that's open plan, flexible, adaptable, changes with grace and is welcoming to the community. We'll have a gallery which will be public facing. We'll have events that will be public facing more often, and we want to engage with industry within the building, so there'll be workspace that particularly addresses things that the industry need. So we want to embed those live industry projects into the building, so our students are learning from professionals as well as learning from the staff employed as academics to teach them. Clearly the building is at the heart of a community. It's in an industrial part of the town, but actually it's where residential and industry meet in the city of Bath. The city is a city of imagination. Design is at the heart of Bath, in my view. So I think, this is a really exciting moment where people will be able to come in and draw, they may be able to come in and make some ceramics. We already run things like Hey Clay programs, which are open access. We want to get everybody making. The School of Art and Design has phenomenal international reach and phenomenal national significance. And for me, it's how the moment when we can open our doors and we've got there, and you can actually see how we operate, how we function. And one of the beautiful things about this is that making will be absolutely visible and at the heart of everything that we do.